Tiramisu, an iconic Italian dessert, is a symphony of textures and flavors. Ingredients: egg yolk, 3 pieces, fine sugar, a quarter cup, vanilla, 2 teaspoons, mascarpone cheese, a cup and a half, ladyfingers biscuits, 24 pieces, instant coffee, half a cup, melted cocoa powder, a tablespoon. How to prepare: 1. Add to the blender bowl egg yolks, sugar, and vanilla, and beat until the mixture becomes smooth. Then, add the mascarpone cheese to the mixture and stir gently. 2. Dip the biscuit fingers in the melted coffee, one by one, then arrange half the biscuit sleeve on a serving tray to form the base. Pour half of the mascarpone mixture into a serving tray to prepare a layer over the biscuits. Arrange a second layer of biscuits on top of the mixture. Cover it again with mascarpone. Cover the tiramisu and put it in the refrigerator for an hour. Sprinkle cocoa on top of the mold and cut it before serving.